Welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Well, I did say going to start the cod fishing soon, so I'm a bit early, but I say a bit early. There's been one or two caught, so you know you're in for a chance. But literally, I'm on here, bang on me numbers. Literally seconds I've just been down and literally just had a conger. So unfortunately I didn't have the GoPro going or nothing, but there we go. The usual straps. I'm probably going to get plagued with these, but sometimes you've got to. How far has he got that down? I think he's got that too far down. Don't think I can. No, just bit through the trace, but hey ho, first conger. Put up a half decent scrap in this big tide, so yeah, I'm pleased with that. It's a cracking evening. I'm going to try and do most of the night if I can. Just depends if I get littered out with the usual suspects, but we'll see. Yeah, I've got 10-pounder squid, a few skanky mackerel, plenty of baby cuttle, so yeah, I thought, well, let's give it a go, spare at a moment thing kind of thing, so time on my hands, so let's do it. But I shall keep you all posted and everything. It's a cracking evening, as I say, so fingers crossed something will come of it. Well, can't believe I got a bass here. I didn't even know it was on. So sorry about that. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. That's a nice bass. That's a nice bass, not too bad. He certainly swallowed it. He weren't going to come off in a hurry. Oh, I'm pleased with that. That's probably been on there for some time, to be fair. Oh well, not that big, but it's a bass. Cool. Happy days. Welcome back again. Been down about 10 minutes and it looks like another Eels. Yeah, he's there. Something there. See it bouncing away there. Strange how one always makes you wonder how one rod seems to get the bites and the other one just doesn't get a sniff. Let's try and find the lead. There it is. Look at that. There he goes. Yeah, fish on. Oh, there he goes. Happy days. Beats a bit of soul fishing, I suppose. Got shaking its head like a conger, to be fair. It is staying quite deep. I mean, I'm trying to talk myself into it's what we want, but I don't think it is. It's not giving the usual little odd nod or anything. Staying deep. Smoothound, Ray. I certainly don't think it's an eel. Oh, it's really going up tide. That weed's a pain in the arse this evening as well. Look at it, get out of it. I'm in low gear, so it's quite easy to. It's staying really deep, this fish. It's going up tide even this monstrous tide. What we got? Ray? Smoothound, I bet. Obviously Smoothounds, but yeah, mind you, that's quite a big one. That's a good 10. That's a good fish. Can't complain of that. Took the 7-0s all right. Here we go, that's it, liven up. Can't complain actually. 2 species, 2 drops, 2 species. I thought 1 or 2 of these might still be about, but like everything, they're not open. Well, that ain't coming out. Let's cut it. Cut it, it's the safest option for the fish and for me. Nah, not quite 10, £8 I suppose. Right, go on then, before you get everyone wet. Hey, there he goes, happy days. Well, can't complain of that. It's weird though, not a sniff on that rod, very strange. Yeah, using 7-0s tonight. No point in going any smaller than that. I want to try and keep the, dare I say, the shipfish away, but usual tactics. 2 or 3 squid. Got baby cuttle as well, like I said earlier, and I've got some black lug as well, so I might put the upsider out a little bit later or something. But no, happy days, can't complain of that. Conger and a Smoothound to start with. Tickety boo. Well, welcome back. I've had a few dog since, a couple of very, very small pout. How they hung themselves, I haven't got a clue, didn't even see the bites. So. But I just wanted to show you, you know, the last of that sunset. Look at that. Looks absolutely phenomenal, doesn't it? Beautiful. Bit of breeze, tide's just wanting to run the opposite way now, so you're almost like in limbo now, just waiting for the boat to swing round. If that breeze wasn't there now, obviously I'd be swung around no trouble at all, but it is what it is. Won't be much longer. And unfortunately then I'll be on sort of like £1.5, £2 a lead then. But it is what it is. Not quite in the season for a cod, but as I said, 1 or 2 have been caught, so you know, you've got bait in the water out here, you've got half a chance I suppose. But really, you know, sort of like a week or 2 into October, then Solent you have got a very good chance of a cod. Not guaranteed the Solent, but past years, you know, what was it, 7 years ago, God, you're almost treading on them out here. There were so many out here, but once again, it's like that every year. You know, you think you're going to have another good season, and then, you know, it just doesn't happen. Oh, I can't think how many I had last year. I think 4 last year. I think 3 the year before, so, you know. But I have noticed that Chesil's thrown the odd one up, where that's quite a good indicator if you get quite a few off the beach down there. You can say, you know, you've got half reasonable season up this end, but it has been slow down there. But it could be the opposite this year, you know, could fish your tits off here and Chesil could be slow. I mean, I might have another session on Chesil Beach a bit later, I don't know. See how it all pans out, life. I wouldn't mind going back down. So like I say, you've got to be in it to win it. If you ain't got a bait in the water, we can all sit at home wishing, but if you've got a bait in the water, I'm on 100%. You know, I've had quite a few cod off of this little spot here, so I know the ground here, I know the spots well. I've had cod here. It's just depending if am I a little bit early. I mean, size of tide, yeah, I think it's a 4.6, so it's quite big. It's not 5 metre or nothing, but 4.6, you know, I'm probably gonna have to go to 2 pounder lead. There's a little bit of surface weed this evening, so that could be a pain in the arse during the night, but let's see what happens. But definitely look at that sunset, look how red that is now, that's beautiful. So come on fish, where are you? Let's have a chance. I just had a couple of good bites on this one then. Felt a little bit better than a doggy. I think it's a small strap, but real vicious bites, if you know what I mean. He's still there. There we go. Yep, fish arm. There we go. Eel. Small strap. There it goes, the leader. Yeah. There we go. See how he swallowed them hooks. Easy as that with a T-bar. Happy days. Stainless Steve special. Only the best. Yeah, nice. It's just starting to get a little bit more lively now that tide's picked up. Well, still not round yet, but it's certainly picking up. Yeah, that was a nice pull round on the tip then. Might be something there, just try and find the lead a bit better. There we go. Come on, are you there? No, he's dropped it, I think. Oh, I'll leave it there. I've left it in there. Yep. Yeah, tide's well pulling me round now. See where that anchor rope is. Yeah, it's better than what it was even 15 minutes ago. Another half hour, 45 minutes and I'll be completely round, so that's good. I might be able to fish, start fishing properly, as they say. Pain in the arse where you're just on the beam. Come on fish, where are you? Well, I think the old eels are woken up now. Been quite a few bites now. There he is. There he is. He's just hanging there. There it is. Way. Oh, that's an eel. Bloody things. But it is what it is. Oh, go on, go on, go on then, go on then. There we go. Yeah, we're in. Come Another small one. Oh, look at it just shake his head, doing death rolls and everything coming up. Yep. Well, I suppose they are a bit better than the real straps, but even so, still a nuisance. Look at him do a death roll there, look. As he swallowed it, I bet he has. God, look at him spin. Come on, let go, you. Don't know if I'm on that bottom hook. Don't think, no. That's another eel and another hook. Another 7-0, the bastard. Well, there you go. Almost round there. And it was quicker than what I said. So happy days. I might just get this one sorted out. And give it a couple of minutes. Get the other hook on. And then I can reset all the rods all nicely. Ready for sitting in the tide nicely then, so happy days. Well, I've got something on here. Yes, here we go. Here we go, another reel on the uptider now. Don't know if I've got my other line over there, I'm not sure, but something's grating, but I'm almost round in the tide now, so I knew this one was going earlier. What we got? Eel. Got a tangle, I think I've got my other line. And there's the eel, see it? Yeah. There we go. That's not a bad thing. Oh, he swallowed those hooks. He swallowed them. Right, scissors. No messing around. Come on. There we go. Gone. Right. So, just need to sort this line out here. So I've got my other rig here with the black lug on. So I don't think I even caught that on the uptider, judging by that. There we go. No, I didn't, because it was a black lug I've got on the upsider. Right. Right, let's put that there. Well, I'll just sort the other rod now then, because I know that's the one I just had the fish on, believe it or not. Tickety boo, right. See you in a bit. Alright, didn't take long. Good old ratchet scream then. Another reel. Yeah, there it is. Look at that rattly they are. Goody things. Well, let's put the light on a bit better for you. Oh. 3. Yeah, that was a good old run then. There it is. Way. There he is. There, see it? See the tip there? Just starting to, as I'm just lifting, just finding where the end of the trace is. There we go. Go on then. Let's hit it, shall I? If I miss it, I'll miss it. Oh, he's on. Another tiddler, another strap. Oh, there he goes. Go on then. Might have a lot of weed as well, to be fair, because as I swung round then, there was a lot of weed. Where is he? Oh, tiny, tiny one. Oh, I've got a feeling I'm going to get plagued with these all night, but hey yo, sometimes you have to get through the shit to get to what you want. Has he swallowed it again? That's how to do it. Didn't even put no effort into that. Oh, I twisted it up. Oh well, that's good. Another eel, but not what we're after. Oh, I've got a feeling this might be number 9 eel. Oh, there we go, there we go. Go on. Back off downside now. There it goes. Oh, my tip ring's just broke. Well, well, well. Tip ring's just come off. Oh well. That's what it is. It's still wet there though. No, he's left it. No, no, there it goes, there it goes. Go on then. Bloody thing, it's only little. Give me the other 2 rods. Well, I got him that time. Wonder what my tip ring's done. I don't know if it's broke or it's... or it's just popped off. Another eel? Silly question, isn't it? Oh, there's my tip ring. It's on down there. Oh well, number 9 eel. Hopefully I just hooked him nicely. Happy days. The old up tide has just broke out. Let's see what this is. Wind. You've got to wind quick. Pick the slack up. It's probably an eel. I think my other rod's going as well. Feels heavy-ish. Doggy. No, missed it. It was on, but then off. Oh, that's interesting. That was interesting. I think that one's just starting to bounce, but we'll have a look at that in a second. Well, there we go. This could be number 10 eel. Bouncing away like a good one. There he is. There he is. Oh, there he goes. There he's on. Not very big. Tide's running now. Oh no, it ain't. Another bass. Another billy. That's alright, makes a change. Another bass. There we go. Just cut the bass. 9 eels. 1 smut. Dogs. And those little tiny pout. Happy days. Well, this is definitely number 10 eel. Tide's running now on 1.5 pounds of lead. Come on. Certainly holding this tide. There he goes, come on. There he is. There he be. Come at you. Another tiddler. There's a T-bar job, it's just swallowed it or what? There we go. Happy days. Thank God for T-bars. Number 10. That was a good old ratchet screamer there. Still on there. Another eel. It's time to drop it down into a low gear, that's better. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Go on there. That's a good old, oh, you know, I don't know if that is a, that might be a ray. Feel like an eel. Doesn't feel like an eel, but it probably is, to be fair, but just something there that doesn't feel quite as rattly. Feels like a ray. It's heavy. It is kind of staying deep. Although you can't see a great deal what I'm seeing, sort of thing. Do apologise. You might not be able to see too much. My light's dying on the GoPro. Can't put it on a higher setting, so let's I don't know if this is an eel or not. I have my doubts. Just not as rattly as normal. Feels like a ray, to be fair. Now it's going to the back of the boat. Is it kiting? That could be the lead of that. The ray. Yeah. Looks like a ray to me. And I think it is. Yes, it is. Thornback, undulate. Sorry, you're probably not seeing it as good. Get it on its back. There we go. Nice ray. Undulate. Nice. Nice undulate. In the double figures, easy. There we go. You see that, chaps? I just spin it at a male. There we go. See that? Yeah. There we go. Happy days. That's nice. About £12, I would say. Nicely hooked. Well, I'm not going to get a cod, but if I did, and I didn't, sorry, this will be the next best thing. Yeah, nice male. It's easy, £12. Nice. I'll take some pictures of that in a minute. It's that took some effort in that tide. Still about far bigger rays in the tide, but we won't go there. Happy days. A pair of 7.0s. Like I said, I'm not messing around. I've already used £5 of squid tonight already. Loading it all up. Yeah, nice. Wide gapes as well. Happy days. Right, let's get some pictures. See you in a bit. That was a good couple of ratchet pulls, probably conger, but it certainly did let me jump up and take notice. There's something there just hanging in. Oh, there we go. Don't feel anything special. Don't even feel like a conger, to be fair. Nah. Don't know if it's doggy or something. Nothing spectacular. It's on there. Yeah, it's been quite enjoyable tonight, to be fair. I think that undulate was the icing on the cake. If target fish isn't achieved, I'm happy with that then. The tide's really stonking now, but I'm still just about holding £1.5 pound lead, so that's good. Fishing in just over 70 feet of water. How's that doggy spinning? Did I just see something spinning there? Yeah. Another dog. Still, they're few and far between, so I don't mind, to be fair. Yeah, quite a nice doggy as well. The weed situation isn't too bad. There we go. And there it goes. Happy days. Right, let's get her back down. Come on, Cod, where are you? Oh, somebody just picked it up. Come on. There we go. Could be another ray. Don't feel like an eel. Doesn't feel like a lot, to be fair. It's another ray, possibly coming up a bit backwards. That tide is hammering now, but I'm still catching fish through the tide, so that's good. My leader, it could be my leader. Yeah, that's my leader. Weed. A massive amount of weed there. That's enough to pull anything out. Oh yeah. Just make sure that's clear of all my swivels. Now it went on to the, there it goes. Oh well. Got me going for a bit there. Right. I think this could be number 17 eel. That absolutely screamed down the tide then. Oh, it's ratchet's tight. Yeah. Here he comes. Oh, there we go. There's the leader. Come on. There's the eel. There's another eel, number 17. Bloody thing, but hey-oh, it is what it is. and they're getting smaller. Still these lip hook nicely, T-bar. Small ones are absolutely nuisance. Come on, mate. Keep still. Got both rods going now. There we go. Here we go. Another eel. This will be number. This is number 19, I think. %, that's an eel. Look at it, just shake, bloody shake. There it goes. Oh, he's off. Good. I think. Yep. Hopefully he didn't take the bait because I haven't been down there that long, but the other one's going. He's back there again. That's the thing with eels. They do hang around, that's the problem with eels. There it goes, there's the other one going now. Yeah, there he is, see him? Backing off. Go on then. Here we go. Another reel. Just shaking its head all the way up. Bloody eels. There we go. I wouldn't be at all surprised if I've had one or two of these eels a couple of times over. See if I was over it. Well, nearly gone through £10 a squid. The rods lying everywhere. Come on. Ooh, here we go. There we go. I dread to think how many 7/0 hooks I've gone through tonight. Probably at least 15. Yeah, not far off a £10 squid. And what the time is now? 2:30 in the morning. Use this lot and then I'm off, I think. Yeah, the other one's got an eel going on it, bouncing away. Set the drag. My hands are slippery if you wonder why I'm doing this with the... Oh yeah, there we go. I felt you. Yeah, there he is. Look at it go away. This one feels like a very small one. Oh. There's the leader. Oh, and there's another bloody eel. Definitely 20 now. Nicely hooked. And that's how to get him on. Back through the head. Head always seems to be the one, what they do go for, and they do like. Make that one to, let's put in there. As I say, now we're side onto the tide now. It's the season easing out. The wind's dropped well away. There we go. Oh well, not much longer. There, already got an eel going. There we go. Away. There we go. Back, take the line. Come on. And you've seen that then. Plenty of eels down here. Oh. Nope. Oh, I'll be putting number 21 eel in a minute. That'll guarantee. Well, not much longer. Welcome back. That's me done. 21 eels, 3 bass, undulate of 13.3. Dogs, a couple of small pout, and that Smoothound. So was it a good evening? It was a busy evening. Was it what I wanted? The Undulate Ray made up for that, but target wasn't achieved. To be fair, it is early. There is 1 or 2 caught, you never know. But I believe we've got some sort of like crappy weather coming in towards the end of this week, coming into next weekend. So I think that's what it needs now, is a good old good stir up. So fingers crossed, next set of tides might have a chance. But no, it's been busy, a bit hectic. But no, I did enjoy it. It beat going for the sole. Everything was right, tactics were right, no different from normal, so I can't complain. Happy days. Well, I hope you liked what you've seen. If your congers are your fetish, then this is the video for you. But no, roll on next time. Catch you soon. See you later. Radar on, plotter on, gonna put the autopilot on in a minute. Let's get home. See you next time.